What are they gonna do? Dun, dun, dun. Close it up. Here we go. What's up everybody, Raul back with another video, and today they're taking down the tree. Or did it already happen? Let's take a look.
Thank you. Thank you.
They're gonna keep it. Alright, so that means Woody is staying with us. Except he's going to the back. I love you too. Do you like the eye? Aww. Do you like the eyes on the tree?
Yeah.
Who put them there?
Grandma.
Grandma Janet.
Yeah.
Like you Janet?
Yeah, that's why Grandma wore glasses.
Yeah?
And he put on makeup.
Yeah.
That's why he put her lipstick.
That's why we asked the guys nicely, and what did they say? They would let us keep it, right?
Yeah.
So they're gonna cut it up for us, and we're gonna put it in our garden.
Then we put it in the garden.
Yeah. Like in our plants. We're gonna have a little piece of the tree there, because Grandma put it there.
Oh.
Okay? Alright, does that make you happy?
Hey, look, here comes.
Here he comes! Whoa! Whoa!
Look at the tree, Mama.
So that just happened. So I'm sad to say that that machine is definitely going to mess up my seat project. So I'm glad I took some video of the results before the teardown is going to happen. You guys will see that video, whether I post it before this one or post it after. Because they already told me they're going to take all the stakes down so they can drive up on it. So I don't know what's going to happen with that parkway strip. Stay tuned, everybody. What are they going to do? Whoa, they're going to beat that tree? I don't know. Three, two, one. Whoa! Did you guys hear that? What'd you guys think of that? Wow. Crazy!